Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Microsoft Teams. Now, if you want your Microsoft Teams to not automatically turn on during a startup, then what you have to do is simply just go to the top right settings button. From here, just go inside the settings option. And if you don't see this menu, if it's hidden like this, just put your mouse over here, select it and drag it, and the settings will open up. From here, just click on General. And under General, you'll find System Settings. From here, just make sure Auto Start Teams is unchecked. Now, if it's unchecked, then it's disabled and it won't open up during startup. Now, if you want to disable it from your Windows settings, what you have to do is just minimize this. Then just go to your search and search for Task Manager. From the best matches, just open up Task Manager. You can expand this section. And then to get this menu, just click on this hamburger option. From here, just go to Startup Apps. From here, you'll find Microsoft Teams. And make sure Microsoft Teams status is set to disabled. So if it's set to enabled, just right-click on it and click on Disable. And that's basically it. And that is how to disable Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.